In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate barcodes in Google Sheets. If you need to track inventory or quickly scan products, you don't need any special plugins or paid tools. I'll show you two easy, free methods to turn your existing numbers into scannable barcodes right inside Google Sheets. First, we'll use a barcode font. Open your sheet, click your font list, choose More Fonts, and search for Libre Barcode. I recommend Libre Barcode 128 because Code 128 is widely supported by most barcode scanners and works with numbers, letters, and a few symbols. Add it to your fonts and confirm. Now, point a new cell to your existing ID number using an equals sign. For example, if your product ID is in A2 in another cell type, an equals sign and reference that same cell so it mirrors the value. Then change that mirrored cell's font to Libre Barcode 128. Increase the font size so the bars are thick enough to scan. Larger is usually better, especially for printed labels. That's it, your number is now a barcode. A quick tip, leave some white space around the barcode, often called a quiet zone, so scanners can detect the edges cleanly. Also, keep the text wrapping off and avoid squeezing the column too tightly. Now, if you're sharing the sheet or exporting it and want something that will still scan even if someone else doesn't have the font installed, use a formula that returns a barcode image. This approach pulls a high-quality image directly from a free barcode generator based on your cell value. Because it's an image, it's perfect for printing labels, generating PDFs, or sending to teammates. No special fonts required. Insert the formula in the cell next to your ID, and make sure it references the correct cell. You can resize the row height or adjust the image size so the bars are crisp but not distorted. Avoid stretching images out of proportion. Stick to uniform scaling so scanners can read the pattern accurately. Before you roll this out broadly, test a handful of barcodes with your scanner to confirm read reliability. If a code doesn't scan, increase the size a bit, print in high contrast on matte paper, and ensure there's enough margin around the barcode. For organized sheets, consider keeping your original IDs in one column, the font-based barcodes in another, and any generated images in a third, so you can choose the version that fits your workflow. That's all you need to start generating reliable barcodes in Google Sheets, for free and without add-ons.